My friends, I'm on board a Mi-6 helicopter. This is the start of my vacation in Cambodia. I'm about to parachute now. I'll report on the landing site and the advancing deployment later.
Maybach is performing well. Damn.
Are you stupid, Vaya? Why are you treating the car like that?
This is the Rusty Alliance channel. VA is from another channel. Why call me that? Today we're just driving and having fun. This is a Maybach. Have you even seen what kind of machine I have? This one costs 10 million now. But yeah, Maybach. This is a Maybach.
What are you making up? Doesn't anything bother you?
What's there?
You broke the car, your wheel flew off again.
But that's how it was. We bought this Benz in the previous episode. It's an interesting machine, kind of controversial. We noticed all the problems. What's the final price?
95.
Well, at least for 90, okay? I won't even bargain much. 90.
Let's do 91, okay.
Are you serious? 91? Hey there, everyone. This is Slavic, and today we're in for another car adventure. Ignore the cameraman. He just complains. Let's continue.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere from here anymore.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Смотрим.
That's it, had enough fun?
Oh, shut up. Why are you whining? We just need to give it a push and it'll probably start. Yeah, it happens sometimes. There's an issue with the fuel system. We just need to push it and it'll be fine.
Well, go on, push it. What, are you planning to struggle here for a long time? How are you planning to push it?
What's wrong with it?
Your car is sagging, can't you see that?
That means we need to call another car and tow it.
A tow truck, right?
I've got the guys on the line. I'm calling the base. I'm stuck in a field with the Maybach. Over. Guys, do you copy? VIA calling base.
But you don't have satellite radio.
It's not satellite, but we're not far off.
Not far. We're in the middle of nowhere. Slavic, are you kidding me or what?
Just shut up. We're leaving now. Look, we just need to give it a little push. Come on, help me out. Give it a little push and we'll get it started. Everything will be fine. All right, we'll get to that.
Where are we going to get to again?
It's not far from here, I'm telling you. We'll just go through this forest and we'll come out at my base.
Slavic.
Huh?
Are you sure we're supposed to go there?
Yeah.
That sounds really suspicious.
Why?
We drove 10 or 15 kilometers to get here, and now you say there's barely any walking left.
We just need to cross this forest. We drove a long way, but walking is quicker. Stop whining. We'll get there soon and everything will be fine. Any tractor, any car, we just need a little push, that's all, and then we'll leave without any problems. It's fine here, we'll get through now, then we turn left and we'll get to the highway, and on the highway we'll find some car. Wait, left or right?
You know, we've already been going in circles here for the third time, just so you know.
Let's head right. It's about 107 meters to the road.
Slavic, are you crazy? There were mountains drawn, not a road?
I really don't know where to go. Cameraman, calm down. I honestly have no idea. And it looks like we got lost inside too.
All right, then call the rescuers.
Just shut up. Fine, whatever. Let's call the rescuers. Emergency call. Here we go. Hello?
911 service, I'm listening.
Hello, come get us. We're lost in the woods.
Which forest are you in?
How should I know which one? Check the location on the watch. These are Apple Watch Ultra 2. They get signal everywhere.
That feature only works in America.
What do you mean, only in America?
Unfortunately, that's the case.
So I need to find myself even with an Apple Watch Ultra?
Are you showing off with your watch?
I'm not showing off. Goodbye. Should I go back to the Maybach? By the way, if you haven't seen the previous video where we bought this car and how it later turned into a Maybach, you can check out that video by clicking the suggestion, guys. It's really funny and cool.
Why the hell did we even go forward if we needed to go back?
We need to reach the road so they can pull us out, and then we can drive ourselves. There's a trail, see? So sooner or later, we'll end up somewhere. Something went through here. I saw something white and something red. See? Unbelievable.
What?
The car!
So what? It's just sitting there. What do you want?
That's an ambulance. You hear?
Just leave it. It's an ambulance. Someone likely called it or got lost.
Just take a look at her. Yeah. seriously, look, that's an ambulance. An abandoned ambulance. What is it doing here? Look inside, there's so much stuff. It's a real vehicle.
I honestly don't care about your vehicle at all. Let's just get out of here already.
Wow, look. Oh man, that's a Gazelle. We haven't had an ambulance Gazelle before. That's awesome. Listen, it's her.
What are you doing? Why are you taking everything apart right away?
Look, a sink. Wow, damn, that's amazing. Over there, there's like a cabinet, all that stuff, some kind of sanitary thing. And here, something happened here. Listen, there's clearly some interesting story here. We need to figure all this out. Oh, look, X-ray images. Everything as it should be. It's all so interesting. Yes, ma'am. Oh, a doctor's uniform, and not just any doctor. It's a surgeon's uniform. What? When I was a kid, I dreamed of becoming a neurosurgeon or cardiologist too. All of that, it's pretty cool, isn't it? They say they make a lot of money.
Slavik, what are we even doing here? What do we do now? We need someone to push us. This car can't.
This car's exactly the one that will push us. I'll fix it up a bit now, tweak it, and we'll drive away in it.
Where to?
Where? I'm back to Maybach. We'll push it. Oh?
But that's someone else's car.
Nobody needs it anymore. There's so much medical stuff here. Oh, I also found a surgeon's gown. It's really interesting to figure out what actually happened here. Well, I mean, you don't just leave medical ambulances in the forest for no reason. It's like something happened here. Will you be my patient?
No.
So what? That was my favorite game as a kid too, like playing doctor, playing sick. Aren't you sick or something?
I played house.
Oh, a stethoscope? Let me listen to you. Uh-huh. All right, you're healthy. Wait, was that even allowed? I'd like to understand what happened here.
There's not even a battery. Seriously?
But overall, everything else is fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. It's all burnt.
Look, something burned here. Oh, a screwdriver. But none of this helps me. So, look, here's the starter. I could just short it, and that's it. I'd get it started, honestly. Without a battery, you're right. There's no point. The engine is carbureted. Here it is. Let's listen.
Is it misfiring?
No, he died. Let's check if the keys are lying around. Maybe we missed something. Did we really not notice this?
What?
What? This is a dash cam. Give me a power bank or something. We'll power it up and take a look.
Give me some, hand over the power bank.
Okay. Oh, something's burning. Let's see what happened here at the last moment. Look, here's the video. Yeah.
Everyone thinks I'm not serious.
I'm not sure what's happening in the video. There's a drunk guy who seems to be a doctor. Oh, who is he? A paramedic, a midwife, I don't know who. Let's keep watching.
I wanted to prove to everyone that I'm the coolest doctor, but my wife is sleeping with the chief doctor, Igolkin.
What's going on? Wait.
'Cause I'm a lousy doctor.
Is this after the crash or before? What?
I could have fixed everything. I could have done it myself.
And anyway, why are the cameras filming this doctor and not what's in front?
I went on a call alone, got stuck in the forest, nothing will start, everything's done for. I shouldn't have gotten drunk before heading out. I'll take the battery into the cabin so no one steals it, that's it. So, I'm leaving.
That's messed up. He just got drunk, that's all. He said he got the battery from the shop. That's it. I'm not just a VIA surgeon. I'm Slavik Sherlock Holmes.
Slavik, you're an idiot.
Oh, what's that? Ah, that's a splint. I saw a picture like that in my life safety books. You need to put in a magazine and wrap it with a bandage as a temporary splint. What kind of magazine is this? It's kind of interesting. Oh. Do you know what's under my hand? I'm not going to show you.
You can see it all from the other side.
Damn. I'm putting this cast on myself, and the full version is on our Telegram. Also, I created a new Telegram channel, specifically for the Rusty Alliance. We have a chat with Slavik there, and we give away all sorts of prizes. It's really just a vibe for our people. Rusty Alliance is a channel for us, not everyone. I shouldn't have put this on. I think it's somewhere behind her. Now there's a battery. Look, antifreeze, a full bottle.
Cool, yeah. Interesting. Go ahead and smell it for now.
Ah! So I found some alcohol, I found a jack, the jack handle. There's a lot of medical stuff. But there's nothing useful that looks like a battery. Oh wait, look, there it is. Whoa! I wish I knew when this happened. The positive connects to the starter, which is on this side of the engine. Wow, so many wires. The negative was supposed to go here, but it doesn't reach this spot. So that means it's not needed at all.
I don't think it's going to start.
I don't believe it either. That battery is too dead. It won't be enough to turn the engine over. Nothing makes sense. The turn signals are working, or what's left of them. Actually, it's now completely dead. So am I a doctor or mechanic today?
Look, it's barely sparking. See, can you see it?
Oops, well, it's clear. We need to push it.
Are you serious? Always pushing something? What's next?
I agree, it's an unpleasant situation. The Gazelle weighs about 2.5 tons, so we can't just push it. No. Remember when I found a jack? Can we use it? But jack it up, loosen the wheel, and put it in gear.
That's a freaking stupid idea.
This is an old complex life hack. This works on carbureted cars, but you need to spin the wheel really hard with some kind of belt. Maybe we can turn these into a long belt. Wait, what's that? Look, something orange. That's a toe strap.
Slavic, wait, can you explain again what you want to do? You'll jack it up, and then what?
Well, I'll jack it up. This wheel will be off the ground and I'll wind the strap onto it, unwind it, and put it in gear. And what will happen then, before you do all this, I think I'll only get one shot at this. Let's add some gas, just in case. Great. Oh.
Wow, your fuel is really clean.
Damn it, what the heck? What's wrong with this Gazelle? There was gas in there. Why am I struggling, damn it? Come on, let's start it on the first try and get out of here. Hit it, go. Let's do it. I need you to shift into gear, first gear.
I'll shift it now.
Not right now.
Yes!
When I pull it, like this.
You came up with some nonsense.
I'll take this end and run over there as fast as I can. The wheel will spin, you'll shift the gear, and we'll start the engine. Got it?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Up. Something's not working.
Are you stupid? While I'm turning you. With the ignition on, just insert it here, understand?
Ah!
Just do it like this, that's it.
Okay, let's do it one more time then.
3, 2, 1, come on. Oh, that's it, go!
Where to? Slavic, where are we going?
Where? After the Maybach, that's where. Gazelle, that's exactly what we need. Oh, we're moving. The tires are flat though, but whatever.
Well, what did I tell you?
We're out. Relax, I'm making a U-turn. What? Whoa, oh, we're really smoking a lot. Go on. We ooh, come on. That way. Great. The ambulance is going to the Mercedes. Careful. Oh, damn, it's okay, it's all right. Okay, little tree. No. Oh, crap. Oh, man, no. Bastard! We need to go there, right? Well, once the engine cools down, we'll go to Maybach. Wow, damn. There was no water there? Damn. Huh? It's breathing. The patient needs to be checked. No. Well, the diagnosis is clear here. Did she drink? Does she want more? I hope she doesn't sing again. Oh, for crying out loud. What does that even mean? I don't get it. Are we making things better or worse with the water right now?
There's a sound nearby, like something's about to explode soon.
Oh, I just can't even understand what that means at all. Gotcha! I'm a doctor. I know how to treat patients properly. Drink, they said. You need to cool down. That's it. The treatment is going fine. You see? But at least the weather is nice. Right where you're watching from and what the temperature is there. It's 23 degrees here today. The weather is wonderful. We're making content for our subscribers, exclusively for the Rzavi Alliance. Come on, let's top up this water and head to the Maybach. That's it. The patient is finally taking the medicine correctly.
Yeah, that's it. Did it start up?
Something's wrong again. Hold on. The roof is broken. It's turning. We short the starter, here it is, and at the same time we need to open the carburetor. There. Oh, whoa. There, let's go to Maybach. Back. All right, good. Let's keep going. Bastard, damn. Something's wrong. Damn, the electrolyte is leaking. It's hissing and corroding the wires. I'm serious, this is dangerous.
All right, that's it. Let's walk. We've played enough.
All right, friends, thank you all for watching anyway. It turned out pretty cool. We'll haul this Gazelle somewhere now. We just need to fix it up, then we can use it. Or should we return it to its previous owners? Write in the comments what we should do. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was an exclusive for the Rusty Alliance. We're just having fun here, enjoying ourselves. What we do with this car is up to you. If you say restore it, we'll restore it. If you say scrap it for metal, we'll scrap it. Basically, whatever you say goes, so leave your comments. And this was me, Slavik, better known as Via. Today I lost 2 cars. Bye, bye, bye.